As Jamaica celebrates its annual Reggae Month in February, the island's soul-stirring music is under renewed scrutiny, with legendary entertainer and reggae purist George Pan-A-Knack calling for a return to the authentic roots of reggae, amid concerns that the genre's essence is being lost in modern dancehall. A passionate voice in Jamaica's music scene, George Pan-A-Knack is expressing his deep dissatisfaction with the current state of music in Jamaica. Marlon Samuels has more in this report.
Born in Jamaica, reggae music has become a global symbol of resistance, love, and unity. Throughout the month of February, concerts, exhibitions, and educational programs highlight the genre's rich history and impact.
Do you think foreigners appreciate our culture more?
Well, right now, I see the foreigner they love the culture more than how the born Jamaican they love it right now, at the moment. Because right now, I see our Jamaican roots and culture and dancehall culture away from the new culture, I say, we changed 25 years ago, 26 years now. And the Japanese, them have it. Not even the European. And the Japanese and Asia and East gone. And the Jamaican youth, them all the things in my run now is chopped. They gone American East Coast and West Coast lifestyle. And it don't look good. It don't look good. It bleed, my heart bleed. Me I cry, me a big man, and we build dancehall. And we build and we do it. And if you see the little young people, let's change it, it don't look good.
A cultural performer, George Pan-A-Knack Robinson, is just one of many who are passionate about keeping Jamaica's musical heritage alive. His story reflects a broader conversation about the future of reggae and dancehall music in a rapidly changing industry and world.
Right now, reggae take over the world. See, the new reggae is a reggae youth get a Grammy. It's reggae youth get the Grammy right now. Young youth. I ain't never knew him, you know. No, I'm say it's a young little youth. Young youth take over it. And that me want. And that's why I call up on the state and all of the young media them to help me and Peter Metro and O'Neil famous there with original dancehall and rubber dub and reggae. And make we say we can try get out that culture that we little young youth them have in a dancehall. This gun culture, please, please. Because a reggae take over the world. See a reggae month now we and a dancehall month, and a gun culture. It's all about Bob Marley and the reggae. Jamaica. Love Jamaica. Jamaica the nicest. Anyway, when I go a 4th time I go to America. And I don't want to go back to America. Jamaica, I want to stay and be happy. I don't have money.
Robinson feels that the genre strayed from its roots, emphasizing materialism and superficiality at the expense of meaningful storytelling that once defined Jamaican music.
The state of dancehall right now need the state really to step in real, because music is education and music is art. And from 2020 I saw the dancehall culture. It's a different genre, dancehall culture, I see the youth them have. Some call it chap. It's all about gun and the little girl must freak. And it don't look good because the youth them at night time I promote too much gun song.
So I think this is the community.
The gun song right now, I destroy the community because you can't live in happiness can't happen in a gun. You can't have happiness in an explosion? No.
As a purist, he calls for the return to the authentic sound that put Jamaica on the global map. As Jamaica celebrates Reggae Month this February, it's a reminder of the genre's powerful legacy and the ongoing efforts to maintain its authenticity. From the streets of Kingston to the world stage, reggae remains a voice of the people. This is a story brought to you from the people. I am Marlon Samuels, reporting for the news on PBCJ.